Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maths Lab. Today we are going to discuss orienting yourself the use of coordinates exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Look at Rian's bathroom. What are the coordinates of the four corners O, F, R and P of the bathroom? This is the bathroom, okay, and the four corners of the bathroom are O, F, R and P. What is the coordinates of O? This is the origin, that's why 0, 0. F we have to find out, R also we have to find out. P, this is the distance of from origin -6, and it's lying on the x coordinate, x axis, so its y coordinate is 0. So -6, 0. Okay. Now let's find out the coordinates of F. F is lying on the y-axis, so its x coordinate should be 0. And how many units from the origin upward? 9 units. So is 9 coordinate, x coordinate is 9. This the coordinates of F is 0, 9. Similarly, R, what are the coordinates? -6, and the y coordinate is 9. So -6 and 9 are the coordinates of R. So we have to write one by one the question number 1 solution. Coordinates of points are P -6, 0, R -6, 9, F 0, 9 and origin O is 0, 0. Let's do the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Let's find out the question number 2 solution. What is the shape of the showering area SHWR in Priyan's bathroom? So this is the showering area SHWR. They are the corners of the showering area. Now see R, W and SH, these two sides are parallel, and R, S, W, H, they are non-parallel. So if four sides in between, two sides are parallel and other two opposite sides are non-parallel, this shape is called trapezium. So what is the shape of the showering area of the Rian's bathroom? This is the trapezium. And what are the coordinates of the four corners? S, H, W, R. Already we have find out the coordinates of R. So we have to find out the next 3 points. So S, what is the coordinates? This is the -6. See, this is the -6 and 6 plus 6. Okay. And H, -3 and 6. And coordinates of W, that means -2, 9. -2, 9. This is the coordinates of W, and R -6, 9. So let it write down first the shape of the showering area. SHWR is a trapezium. Okay. Trapezium. And the next part answer will be the coordinates of the corners, four corners of this showering area. First corner is -6, 6. second one h minus 3 comma 6, and then w minus 2 comma 9, and also r minus 6 comma 9. So the question number 3 is mark of a 3 feet is to 2 feet space for the wash basins and a 2 feet is to 3 feet space for the toilet, and also write the coordinates of the corners of these spaces. So let's mark it. This is the bathroom. The corners of the bathroom are P, O, F and R. Okay. There is one wash basin and one toilet. First mark of the space for the wash basin. So 3 feet is to 2 feet. 3 feet from the y-axis 1, 2, 3. This is the length of the wash basin 3, and breadth is 2 feet. So from the x-axis 1, 2. So in this way we can mark off the wash basin. Let's name it the four corners of the wash basin P, and it is suppose M, this is N, this is suppose T. Okay, they are the corners of the wash basins. So let's write for wash basin, three feet is to 2 feet. Correct. What are the coordinates? Coordinates of what are the corners of the wash basin? P, M, N and T. Okay, write down their coordinates. P is minus 6 comma 0, M minus 3 comma 0, N minus 3 comma 2 and T minus 6 comma 2. They are the coordinates of the four corners of the wash basin. Similarly, you have to mark the space for toilet. So toilet is the 2 feet is into 3 feet. So 2 feet, that means from the y-axis it should be 2 units, 1, 2 like that, and breadth is 3 feet. So from the x-axis 1, 2, 3 like that we have to mark. So let's name it T is the first point. Next corner is suppose U, next corner V, next one X. So one by one we have to find out the coordinates of the 4 points of the toilet. What is the, now write it for toilet, 2 feet into 3 feet. Coordinates of T, U, V and X. Now write down the coordinates of these corners. T is minus 6 comma 2. Okay. Minus 6 comma 2. U is minus 4 comma 2. V, what is the V? Minus 4 comma 5. Minus 4 comma 5. And X minus 6 comma 5. Okay. See, X is minus 6 comma minus 6 16, and this is the 5. So minus 6, x coordinate is minus 6 and y coordinate is 5. So this is over the question number 3.